Everyone, this is a video about Act 3, Scene 2 of Hamlet. This is a very important part of the play, as we finally get to see Hamlet trying to get revenge on Claudius. He is trying to see Claudius's reaction to his performance of a play, reenacting old Hamlet's death. In order to help me understand your understanding of the play, we're going to do a quick exit ticket about Act 3, Scene 2. What I'd like you to do in exactly 10 steps, no more or no less, tell me what happened in Act 3, Scene 2. It would be most helpful if you go in chronological order. To help you understand what I'm looking for, I created an example of this for you using Act 3, Scene 2 of Romeo and Juliet. Here, we see that Juliet is first waiting for Romeo to come to the Capulet house to see her. Next, we see that the nurse rushes in and is very distraught because of the fight between Romeo and Tybalt. Because of the nurse's mumbling, Juliet starts to believe that Romeo has died. Juliet assumes that Romeo has committed suicide. Distraught Juliet vows that she now must die too. Juliet begins to understand, though, that Romeo is not dead and that Romeo killed Tybalt. Then she comes to know that Romeo will be exiled for his actions. Juliet becomes upset over Romeo being exiled, as she will die a bride with no wedding. The nurse explains that she will now help Juliet, as she knows where Romeo will be hiding on their wedding night. Juliet ends this scene by giving the nurse a gift to give to Romeo as a token of her love for him. As you can see in these 10 steps, or 10 actions that happened in Act 3, Scene 2 of Romeo and Juliet, I'm able to give you a very quick summary of what happened. See if you can do this using Act 3, Scene 2 of Hamlet. I know this is a long scene, but there's lots of information that you can include in your summary. Don't be too detailed, but make sure you include all of the important things. Please let me know if you need any help.